Hello, and welcome to Dohnatien Investment. This analysis is for Cabral Gold on the TSX Venture Exchange as of 20th of July 2026, with a share price of $1. The full report is on dohnatien.ca. Cabral Gold is a junior building a low-cost, fully funded heap-leach gold starter at Cuiú Cuiú, Brazil, approximately 85% built, first pour targeted Q4 2026. The PFS shows a 78% IRR, with spot gold approximately 3 times its all-in cost, so the medium and long calls are a buy. The short call is hold, single asset risk and a weak gold tape. Cabral Gold is a Canadian-listed gold developer whose sole asset is the district-scale Cuiú Cuiú project in northern Brazil. Its near-term business is a small, low-capital, gold-in-oxide heap-leach starter, mining shallow oxidized ore and recovering gold on lined pads, a simple and cheap route that lets a junior reach production for a fraction of the capital a conventional mill needs. The initial cost is just under $38 million, already fully funded by a gold loan, and the plant is about 85% built, with the operating permit granted and first gold targeted for the fourth quarter. Business quality is a fair 70 for a developer this close to production. The economics are the reason it is a longer horizon buy. The updated pre-feasibility study shows an internal rate of return of 78% and a net present value of $74 million, struck at a conservative $2,500 gold price, well below spot, which runs at roughly 3 times the project's all-in cost. In other words, the starter is deeply in the money even on a large gold pullback, and it sits on top of a much larger multi-million-ounce hard rock resource that the cash-flowing starter is designed to fund, so the medium and long calls are a buy. So why hold for the short term? This is a single asset junior, and 2 things argue for patience. Gold's short-term tape is weak, below a falling 50-day average, which is a headwind for any developer, and the report flags valuation ceiling and dilution as caution items. Execution is the swing factor. A clean commissioning and a fourth quarter first pour would re-rate Cabral from developer to producer and let the market start pricing the hard rock district. That is the path to the $1.95 bull case. The bear case is near 75 cents if commissioning slips or gold falls further. Now, the other side of the ledger, single asset junior, execution plus funding risk, gold downtrend, further dilution possible, bear approximately $0.75 if commissioning slips or gold falls. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 93% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 39%, and the bear case a fall of about 26%. So you are risking about 26 to make 93. So, our call on Cabral Gold on the TSX Venture Exchange, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Dohnatien Investment at dohnatien.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.